so that we can compare the documents from NotebookLM and ChatGPT, we're going to output the new document in a Microsoft Word file. And I'm going to allow ChatGPT to finish this part of the process. We're going to make sure that our document is complete. We're now going to save it to our hard drive. Or we're now going to use ChatGPT to compare the documents. So we're going to take the transcript from the NotebookLM audio, and we're going to take the transcript from the audio we created with 11 Labs. We're now going to upload the other document. So we're now going to upload the document that we just created. And what we're going to do now is we're going to ask to compare the documents, strengths and weaknesses. Okay, so we have our prompt, and we're now going to click enter. And in comparison, ChatGPT does make a comparison about the information. And what you can do is you can then output this document as a separate document. So we're going to output the comparison as a formatted Microsoft Word document, and our comparison document is now complete. Okay, so thanks, and I'll see you either in another video or in another course.